Hello, dear students. In the last lecture on the short story Pali, we have understood the theme of the story, what is the story is about, something about writer's biography. Visham Sahani is the writer of the story, who is a very famous Hindi writer. And this story was written originally in Hindi, later on translated into English. We have also seen the characters in the short story, the major characters. The central character or the protagonist of this short story is Pali, a short name for Yashapal, and his Hindu parents, original parents, Manohar Lal and Kaushalya, and his Muslim parents who adopt him, Shakur and Jhena, and Muslim priest, Maulavi and Hindu Pandit. So these are the major characters in the story. And the theme also we have understood last time, that is partition, religious conversion, or trauma of partition, or the effect of partition on the mind of child Pali. We also try to understand what is the story is, or um, what happens in the story, how that a small child Pali is um, uh, converted to Hindu, and later on again first converted to Muslim, and then again he is converted to Hindu. So how he gets confused, and what effect this partition uh, creates on the small child, how the trauma of partition is created on the mind of the mind of Pali, and how his life is destroyed due to this partition. So with this we shall try to understand in detail what happens in this story. Uh, let's see the summary of this short story Pali. Actually, it is not possible to read the story line to line because it is a very long story. I also provided you on the text of the story in the Google Classroom. You can read the original story there line to line. So here we shall try to understand the story in detail, or the summary of the story. At the time of partition, when people had to migrate with their families from India and Pakistan, Pali or Yashapal was 4 years old, 4 years of age. Pali and his family, along with other Sikh and Hindu families, rushed towards Indo-Pak border. When they reached the station to go to India, Pali gets separated from his family. So the story begins with the event of separation of Pali from his parents. Due to the partition, what happened at that time, how the people, Hindu people from Pakistan rushed or came to India to live permanently in India, and Muslim people from India were driven out from the country, and they went to live to Pakistan permanently. So the people lost their home country, their property, everything, and it was a great um, trauma of partition. It is not easy to leave our own country and go to a very new place to live permanently, leaving everything, our memories and our property and everything behind. So it creates a trauma. Though people go to new places to live, they cannot forget their uh, past life. They have to live in the new place with those memories, always haunting with them, and always they create sorrow in their mind. They are shattered. Their emotions, their minds are destroyed, shattered due to such type of event. And in the beginning of the story, how the people were rushing to the border, Indo-Pak border, India-Pakistan border. The Hindu people from India were going to Pakistan, and Muslim people from Pakistan were going to India. And that there were lorries, they were to carry them towards the border. So here in Pakistan, what happened? There was this Hindu couple living, that is Manohar Lal and Kaushalya. They had 2 children. This elder child, Pali, 4 years old boy, and they had one daughter, a baby daughter, in the arms of Kaushalya. So when they were coming, when they were climbing in the lorries, at that time Kaushalya climbs in the lorry with the child, and Manohar Lal is coming towards the Charlie. He had Pali coming with the he had caught the little hand of Pali. But in the crowd, what happens? Unfortunately, Pali is lost in the crowd. So Manohar Lal tries to search for his son, little son. He's frightened. He shouts loudly, Pali, Pali, like this, but can't get his son back because there is a lot of crowd, lot of noise, and people are shouting. They are making hurry because they have to reach the border before nightfall, before the evening. They have to cross the border actually, because there's always the fear that the people of opposite religion can attack them anytime, because people are both Hindu and people Muslim people were very you know, they had become fanatic, very angry, and they were attacking each other, killing each other very cruelly, not thinking of anything. So the people were making hurry, and Manohar Lal tries his best to find out his son, but he cannot. And then without Pali, they had to go to India. Now here what happens? Pali is separated from his parents and he lives behind alone there on the road, or on the corner of a road. When the chaos at the station comes to normalcy, Pali finds himself all alone. At that moment, he was picked up by Shakur, a Muslim, who takes him to his wife Jenna. They adopt him into their family. They become his new parents. Pali's foster parents were kind to him, but still he had to go through a lot that had a very deep impact on his mind. He was converted to a different religion. Now, here what happens to Pali in Pakistan? His parents, Manohar Lal and Kaushalya, go to India without Pali because it was not possible to leave behind due to this son. The Muslim people should have killed them. They become very sad. Kaushalya, as if she goes mad without Pali. Here Pali is found by a Muslim man, Shakur. He takes Pali to his home. His wife Zainab becomes very happy because this couple is childless. They had no children. So they think that, or Zainab thinks that this is a gift from God to them. When they find that Pali is Hindu, they think that if someone comes to find Pali, they will give him back. But here what happens? They are very kind to him. They accept him in their family. They think that if no one comes, they will keep Pali as their son. But what about Pali? What happens to him? What about his mind? This small child is very sad without his parents. He cries and cries only. He does not talk to anyone. He does not talk to Shakur or Zainab for 3-4 days. And then later on, he is also, and there is actually Shakur and Zainab does not think or does not decide to convert Pali to Muslim. But the other people in their religion, in that Muhalla, there was a Maulavi, that Muslim priest. Maulavi, as we have in Hindu, we have Brahmins or Pandit in Hindu religion. With them we call priest, pujari. So here in Muslims they have Maulavi. And that Maulavi insists that Pali should be converted to their religion, means Muslim religion. Otherwise, he cannot live. A Hindu child cannot live among the Muslim people without converting into Muslim. He was made a Muslim, and for that he had to go for circumcision. Circumcision means in Marathi that religious act for converting religion, religious conversion, or maybe in Marathi we call it munz. In Muslim people, they do such type of act of circumcision, that is munj. Means by doing that, the boy is declared, that person or that small child is declared as belonging to Muslim religion. So Pali is converted to Muslim religion. He becomes a Muslim now. At that time, he gets traumatized at the sight of the razor in Maulavi's hands and keeps crying, Pitaji, Pitaji. So when he finds that Maulavi is doing some harm with that razor blade, when Pali looks at the blade, he becomes frightened and he calls his father's name, Pitaji, Pitaji, like this. He cries in a great agony, great pain, great sorrow. But nobody sympathized with the little boy who had just lost his family members. Nobody is caring about this boy. What that boy feels, how he is very sad. That boy has lost a only 4-year child who has lost his parents. And what is happening to him? What is happening to his mind? How he is frightened, how he is sad. No one cares about it. Everyone is worried about religion. Everyone just thinks about religion. When Pali was repeatedly saying, Pitaji, Pitaji, everybody knew that he is a Hindu boy who is very young to understand the importance of religion and rituals like circumcision. Everyone knows Pali doesn't know anything about this religion or rituals. Rituals is vidhi. धर्म काय असतो, विधी काय असतो, हे पालीला काहीच माहित नाहीये. Everyone knows, yet they don't try to understand this fact. But they ignored the boy and proceeded with their rites. They ignore. They do not care about such type of things, what Pali knows or not. And they just proceed with their rites or the rituals, what they have to do, only the conversion. After overcoming the initial confusion of being in a new family and the trauma of conversion, Pali gets a new identity. So after this ritual of circumcision, that is conversion of Hindu to Muslim, Pali gets a new identity. Means Pali becomes a Muslim child now, a Muslim boy. He is no more Pali now. His name is changed because Pali is a Hindu name. So when he is converted to Muslim, he is given a new name. He is called as Altaf. So Pali becomes Altaf. Clad in his Muslim kurta, clad means dressed. So Pali is dressed, or he is given a different type of dress to wear, a Muslim dress particularly. That is a kurta, Muslim kurta, and his Rumi cap. Rumi cap, the Muslim boys or the Muslim man, wears a type of cap, a white colored cap. You must have seen a Muslim boy or a person wearing such type of Rumi cap. So that type of cap is given to Pali. Now he memorizes Quran and starts taking daily namaz. So as a Muslim boy, now Pali learns the practices in Muslim religion. That is, he now starts reading Quran, memorizing Quran, as we in Hindu religion, the people memorize, Bhagavad Gita. And here Muslim people, their holy book, the holy book of Muslim people is Quran. So Pali starts reading Quran and starts taking daily namaz. In Muslim, the people take daily namaz, as we pray to God. In our in Hindu religion, people um, worship or pray to God in the morning. So they take namaz maybe during maybe 2 or 3 times during the day. So this, we find that what happens to Pali after he is lost from his parents. But after some time, when Pali is 11 years old or 11 years of age, he again is thrown into another chaos. His biological father, his Pitaji, appears from nowhere, and he does everything to prove that Altaf his son, and finally succeeds in it. But at this time also, it is Pali who Altaf or Altaf, now we call him Altaf, who has to suffer. So what happens in between? Now Pali becomes 11 years old. In India, Manohar Lal and Kaushalya, when they go to India after the partition, and they leave behind their son Pali, who is lost in that crowd while migrating from Pakistan to India. On the way, what happens? Some people attack the lorries, attack the people, Hindu people, Muslim people attack the Hindu people when they were going to the border. And in that violent attack, Pali's sister, means Manohar Lal's baby daughter, who is in the arms of her mother, a very small child sucking milk. That small child is killed by the attackers, by the rioters, very cruel. So Kaushalya loses her baby daughter also. Both the children are lost from these parents. They become very sad. And Kaushalya goes mad. She just thinks of her children. Now her baby daughter is dead. So maybe she thinks that she will get her Pali. Her son is alive and they can get back him. Manohar Lal is also hopeful. He tries to find out Pali with the help of police and social workers. He hopes that one day he will take his son back from Pakistan. He will find out his son. So he continues his search without losing his hope. Again and again he tries with the help of the police to find out Pali. And many years have gone now. 4 years Pali now, after 7 years. During these 7 years, Manohar Lal continuously tried to find Pali. And during these 7 years, Pali has become totally a Muslim boy, Altaf. He has forgotten everything about his original parents and his original place, and he has now got happy to live like a Muslim boy. He thinks Shakur and Zainab, his original parents, and he's very close to them now. Shakur and Zainab are very loving parents. They are very kind. They love Pali very much, and they are very happy also with Pali. Pali is also living very happy life with his new parents, foster parents, we may say. But one incident happens again in the life of this small child, Pali. Pali is 11 years of age. So after 7 years now, when he was lost or separated from his parents at the age of 4, he was only 4 years old. Now he is 11 years old. So after 7 years, what happens in the life of Pali again? That his father, who is searching for 7 years for him, his Pitaji, Manohar Lal, appears on the scene, comes to Pakistan to take hold of Pali, to take him back to his home. He does everything to prove that Pali, Altaf is his son, and he has brought with him a photograph. He tries to prove, the police also try to prove that Altaf is Pali. Altaf is not a Muslim boy. He is originally a Hindu boy, Hindu child, Pali. And, Pali is very confused. Now Altaf, we may say, he's very much confused. He doesn't know what is happening in the courtyard of Shapura and Zainab's home. All are gathered there, police and social workers and Maulavis also there. And Manohar Lal is sitting very sad. Pali is confused. He doesn't know what is happening here. And when Pali is shown, he looks at Manohar Lal. Pali looks at Manohar, but he doesn't remember anything. During these 7 years, he has lost the memories about his childhood before 7 years. And when he is shown a photograph of his mother and father, means Kaushalya and Manohar Lal, and Pali is also sitting there in this photograph with his parents. When Pali looks at the photograph, he suddenly says, Pitaji, and he remembers that Manohar Lal is his Pitaji, and he remembers the things in his life when he was 4 years old. But now he is, settled with his new parents. He's happy with his new parents. Maybe he doesn't want to go back. But when it is proved that Pali recognizes his father, Manohar Lal, as Pitaji, the police or the social workers say that now it is the claim, Pali is claimed by his his father, Manohar Lal, and Manohar Lal wants back him. So legally it is proved now that Manohar Lal is his original father. But at this time also, what Pali or this Altaf does not, what he feels, does he want to go back or not, is not asked to him. Just Manohar Lal wants him back, and he takes hold of Pali, and he has to go to his original father to India to live with them. In front of a large crowd, little boy is made to stand and identify his real father. When Pali was repeatedly saying, Pitaji, Pitaji, everybody knew that he is a Hindu boy who is very young to understand the importance of religion and rituals like circumcision. But they ignored the boy and proceeded with their rites. After overcoming the ritual confusion of being in a new family and the trauma of conversion, Pali gets a new identity. Here again, the same things happen. When Pali comes back to India with Manohar Lal, again people gather there. A ceremony is arranged of conversion of this Altaf to Pali again. Conversion of this Muslim boy to Hindu boy again. And there is celebration and rituals are going on. And in that situation, Pali starts taking his namaz as his habit is. And that Hindu Pandit becomes very angry. He tells Manohar Lal that not now Pali should not take namaz. He will be converted to Hindu, and he will be Hindu boy now. So Pali is converted by arranging some rituals to Hindu again. Again he is called now Pali. So Altaf is converted to Pali again. They do not, here again the Hindu people do not think what is happening to this boy. What is the effect of such type of things? The conversion on the mind of this little boy. So here again, once again, Pali is converted from religion, from Muslim to Hindu religion again. And the confusion, you know, um, in the mind of the Pali is not understood by Pali. He again gets a new family. And this trauma of conversion is a very, big. You can't understand what is happening to this little boy. First, he was converted from Hindu to Muslim, and again from Muslim to Hindu. So he's totally confused, and no one cares about it. So this is the story about this, mm, this short story, Pali. We shall try to understand this story again in the next period in detail. We shall try to comment on this story again in detail about this. So let's stop here and meet again in the next lecture with more comments on this story. Okay? Till then, take care